Hello all, welcome to the information portal of Nama Physio. Let's talk about ergonomics. Ergonomics just means to fit the job to the person and not making the person fit the job. For today, let's focus on desktop ergonomics just to ensure a pain-free working environment. We would like to emphasize on the checklist. So always focus on the workstation. The workstation should be spacious to allow unrestricted movements of the extremities and also keep all the accessories within the reach. Chair should have a padded seat or it should have cushion to provide proper support to the legs. And the back of the chair should provide proper support and it should also promote sitting with a proper or neutral back. If you don't have an office chair or a chair without cushion, you can use a soft pillow or a small cushioning to avoid tailbone pain. Next, let's focus on the hip. Here, your hips have to be in touch with the edge of the chair. Also, try your best to maintain the hip-knee angle at 90 degrees to avoid knee pain. And make sure your feet has to be relaxed or rested on the floor or on the footrest. Now, coming to the upper body. Forward neck posture is very common with desktop workers. To avoid this, keep your shoulder relaxed, open to prevent rounding of the shoulders. Most importantly, make sure your back is supported to prevent slouching or stooping. Ensure your forearms are rested and parallel to the floor. Wrist should be in neutral position to avoid carpal tunnel syndrome, as it's one of the most common musculoskeletal problem in desktop workers. Another important thing to be addressed is the height and distance of the monitor. So when we are talking about the height, the roof of the system has to be at the eye level and not the screen, and the distance between the eye and the screen should be somewhere between 18 and 30 inches. So I think we have covered almost all the aspects of desktop workers. Before we conclude, we like to take frequent breaks in between work for stretches. So please check out our next video to know about our basic stretches. Thank you.